Alright guys, so this is the next video, and it's been a while because I had so much trouble and I was working on something big. It will come in the next few days. Yeah, this is the trade you could have taken today if you followed my my fast model. I'm gonna go over the fast model in the next few minutes. I just wanted to talk to you about it. The trades today, so you see why you're learning all this stuff and why you're listening to me. First of all, I guess in the first 1, 2, 3 videos I went over accumulation, manipulation, distribution, IFVGs and the Judas swing. So today what happened at 9:30, this is low-key what we wanted to see. Bump, then short down to take out all these liquidity here above, but it never really happened at 9:30. So we came up, swept this high here and left like equal highs, like relatively equal highs with these highs here. So we came pretty close to our drawn liquidity from today. And we got a clean inversion, but we closed way down here, and this would be horrid in my opinion. And we didn't take out any liquidity. Yeah, maybe this chunk here, but no, not really. Then what did we see? We see us consolidating a bit, then came down, swept this internal accumulation lows. I went over last video or the video prior. And what did we get after sweeping it? A clean inversion. I entered off this inversion, drew my fib. I'm gonna go with the fib like in 2 videos. Drew my fib and got these levels. Mostly got out at the 2 level. I said it to the Discord. This has been a good push. Wait, here 4R. It's a good push. Left some runners here, and here. These two got stopped out of break even, and yeah, took this one runner here. I guess 2 and 1 here. Yeah, was good. Was pretty good. So let me put all this junk away. So let's move on to the next one. Wait. Fuck. Sorry. Next one. We swept. Bruh. Damn. I'm so sorry. We swept the highs here. Bro, what? Wait, I'm gonna come back. Sorry, I got a little sick over New Year's Eve. So yeah, don't mind me. What did we see? We swept all of the liquidity to the left, which I marked out earlier. Like, it's just way too clean here. Right out for you. Into this rejection block. We hit the OT. We hit like perfectly my levels. Started distributing lower, but I'm gonna put it away. You saw it, my levels, but didn't get quite an IFVG in here, so I waited. We left this fair value gap. Maybe we could have just gone higher and take out this week too, but yeah. So I waited because there was no sign for me directly to go down here. I waited for us to consolidate again. Consolidated, got a reaction out into this fair value gap, like into this fair value gap, which is holding us down. And after we swept like these highs inside of this fair value gap, we got a clean inversion out. Here we closed below the fair value gap, below this fair value gap right here. You see it? This fair value gap in here. We closed below. I entered, and it was a banger of a trade. We just ripped, no pullback, like dropped around here, but bam, 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 straight up TP. Sorry, I'm gonna be precise for you, so I don't get any hate comments. Not for me. There were like 2 more levels here and I guess down here, but only small profits there, because this is more than enough. Yes, sorry, it was just a trade recap real quick from today. Yeah, so let me go over. Wait, I'm gonna have to check what I have to go over today. Fuck, I didn't went over fair value gaps in IFVG. Today is fair value gap in IFVGs. It's my bad. Nah, I went over IFVGs, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna do it again real quick. I don't know if I just skip it if I went over it. These are 3 bullish candles. Okay, nah, I went over it for sure. Both all of these 3 candles, obviously, not obviously, but most of it have a wick, just like that. And if they don't overlap this wick from the first candle and the wick of the third candle, if they don't overlap, this is your fair value gap. Easy as that. It's like a support zone, vice versa, obviously bearish. And if we have a bullish sign, this is a bullish sign to go long. If we have like a pretty strong bearish candle through this bullish sign, it just shows that we're not pretty bullish anymore and we want to go lower. Pretty obvious. Yeah, vice versa, obviously when we're gonna go higher, we have candle, wick, and these 2 wicks don't overlap, then we will pull back in here, resistance, and we want to go lower. But if we get a fucking bullish candle through it, it just shows that this P array it's called, is not valid anymore and we want to go higher. And most of the time we just but what did I say? Most of the time. That's why you need more confluences. More confluences gives you more stability to your house. I did say this. You need more walls to keep your house safe. Only 4 walls, and a big house with 4 walls will collapse anytime. But if you have more walls to support your house, it will hold a little bit longer in case of hurricane or something like that. Just so it's just what I teach my students and what they really want to hear, what they like to hear. So yeah, what is also important with fair value gaps and IFVG is higher time frame. All right, so what did I see going into the day today? I guess it was an hourly. Why was I bullish? Because I guess you see it. It's like my model, just on a high time frame. Accumulation manipulation, leaving what? Two fair value gaps, right? Inversing it here, and we will go higher, taking out liquidity. I was pretty sure we were going to take out this liquidity too, but yeah, would be too good to be true, and these will get hit also, hopefully. Hopefully. Not yet, obviously, but not now, obviously, but yeah. You know what I'm gonna say? This is why I was bullish, and how did I find this? This is called daily bias. You wanna see where the price is going to go today. Don't always stick to your daily bias, because if you're marinated to your daily bias, you're gonna lose a lot of trades. So this trade today was like this long here I showed earlier, was because of my daily bias. I was pretty sure we were gonna go higher. It matched with my strategy basically, but it was not perfect. It wasn't perfect, but it was pretty bullish, and my thought process was also pretty bullish. So obviously I said we're gonna go higher. But after I saw how price behaved and what happened, like this here, I was pretty sure we're gonna dump and now get the retracement lower. Yeah, because we came up without any retrace. Yeah, bro, what the fuck? I'd love to see. Bro, what the fuck? It would have been perfect, in my opinion, if we just came back down here, like in this balanced price range. Balanced price range is just a fair value gap, which gets IFVG'd with another fair value gap. It's a little bit complicated, but you see fair value gap in here, fair value gap in here, and you see fair value gap in here and fair value gap in here. Like this is your balanced price range here, here, and here. You know what I want to say? We came back down here and then went higher. It's better for my stock portfolio in long term. But yeah, this is basically everything about fair value gap, IFVG, higher time frame. Wait, let me put all this junk away. What do I want to see like in the next few days? Damn, it's pretty hard to explain. If we really close below this fair value gap and below this new day, new week, new day and new week opening gap, obviously we're gonna go lower. We close below the new day, new week opening gap. This is what caused us maybe to come down today. Taps into the daily fair value gap. Wait, didn't see it. I didn't see it today. I'll be honest. This is higher time frame PDRA at its finest. You see in the higher time frame, you see any PDRA is fair value gap, order block, IFVG rejection block, all this garbage. And this is a higher time frame. It's a higher time frame than our normal 5, 1, 53 minutes. It's way higher. You see us tap in and come down. Perfect. Perfect. This is an example of the higher time frame PDRA, higher time frame narrative. It's all the same. Yeah. Go into your charts, search some fair value gaps, IFVGs, higher time frame PDRAs, and I promise you will notice a pattern. I don't like calling it a pattern. I said it way too often, but it is a pattern. Bam, high time frame PDRA. We got our entry model and we came down. It's the same as always, guys. I love you all, and we see you. Maybe I see you in my Discord. Yeah, see you in a bit. And 2026 is going to be our year. Love you guys. Bye.